Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forward's Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Yes, today's video, I have a case for your OnePlus 13. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Ringke Fusion X case for your beautiful OnePlus 13. You can pick this up from Amazon. I will have links in the description. Ringke makes some of the best cases for a lot of different phones out there. I've been using them and rocking with them for a while. And when I went look online for Amazon, this is one of the first cases that came up. The Fusion X is probably one of my go-to cases for any phone that I pick up. So let's get into it. In this review, we'll go over and make sure that the case fits well, the overall design looks good. We also make sure you can wireless charge. Do you get lip protection? Do you get camera protection? Does everything line up? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But here's the packaging. It says live a better day. Listen to Ringke and just go live a better day, y'all. Go help someone out. Donate to someone. You know, donate to a good organization. Maybe even the people in California right now going through the fires. Do something, just live a better day, y'all. We all can learn from Ringke. Bam, it tells you it has little plastic covers on there. So let's pause the video and get that off really quick. All right, so here's the case without that clear thing on there. I love the camo look on here with the Fusion X. I love how they add the extra grip on the sides. The camera cutout looks pretty precise there. But let's see how this thing fits. Oh my goodness. That looks, I love this case on this white phone. Man, that's the winner right there. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You can see it there. Also, you get lip protection pretty much around the whole top and bottom there. You can see it. Bam. Everything lines up at the bottom there. You have the alert slider little opening. And it works. It's easy to get to. Everything lines up at the top. The power button is easy to get to. And then the volume rockers are nice and tactile. Now that power button also has a little ridge on there so you know what button you're pressing. So I love that they do that. And look at the corner protection you get in all four corners. So again, if you're dropping your phone, you don't have to worry about breaking your beautiful OnePlus. Let's see the overall fit. Pretty snug. I mean, what can you expect when you have that many cutouts? Gets a little loose there. But pretty much everywhere else is pretty snug on there. And let's see how hard it is to look. See, you have to fight it a little bit. And you heard that snap too. So this case fits really good on this OnePlus. So man, the fit is really good too. What y'all think about it? Look, it shows off the beauty and adds a little bit different design to it. I love the extra grip, so when you're holding it, it adds some bulk, but again, this is not a bulky case. It adds some bulk to your phone, and it makes it a little bit thicker too, but not bad. If you want to protect your device, then this is probably one of the cases that you might want to pick up. I just love the grip too, because if you're prone to drop your phone, then it gives you that extra grip there too. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. One thing is not MagSafe, so, but can you wireless charge? Maybe. And there you go. You can wireless charge without any problems. You don't have to worry about taking the case off to have that wireless charging going on there. But I definitely do like this Fusion case. I like the little indentations there too to better grip it while you're holding it. So This checks off a lot of boxes for your OnePlus 13. Let's go over that really quick. You get camera protection there. You have lip protection at the top and the bottom. Everything lines up really well. The fit is really good. Doesn't add bulk. The buttons are nice and tactile. The the alert slider there is easy to get to. So I don't really have any major complaints with this case. And again, if you want to pick it up, I will definitely have the links in the description. You can definitely get this from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 13. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.